Hey everyone, it's Tech here with my very first video. Today we will be taking a look at a computer that I bought for $100 off Craigslist and eBay. Let's take a look. Here's a view of the computer we got today. Got a nice Corsair heatsink on there. I don't think they make these anymore, but they're pretty neat. Two fans on there. It's got a cool i7 920 down, so it's gonna be much needed. I threw in a Twin Frozr MSI HD 6950 in here. It's a really nice GPU. It's kind of old, but it's aged really well with 2 gigabytes of VRAM on there. I had to install 2 new fans on it though, because the guy that sold it to me on eBay said he didn't know if it worked. The fans were completely huffed. I tried using a brake cleaner on them, and they worked for a bit, but I had to get new ones because they weren't spinning. I also I threw in my own Seagate 1.5 terabyte that I found in a broken external hard drive server. So someone thought that was broken. I salvaged it. It really wasn't. The enclosure was broken, but the hard drive wasn't. We also got this piece of crap, a TR2 RX-850. Don't be tricked by this. It's not a good power supply. I don't even think it's 80 plus certified. It doesn't come with all the cables either that should be on there. It's a mess here. I'm going to replace this with probably a Seasonic or a Corsair for too long. This thing runs really hot. It's probably going to catch fire, I wouldn't doubt. I don't really want it on these parts being as old as they are. Not really that good. So up here I zip tied the top of the case together. The guy that had it tore it apart trying to get in it. I don't know what he was thinking. Took the CD drive out of there too, which not a big deal. No one uses CD drives anymore. It's got a 2 USB on the front, an external SATA, which is neat. The cord's actually back here hanging. Pretty neat case, you know. It's got drive base, or as old as it is. I'd say this is probably 8-year-old case. So computer altogether. Nice LED strip in the bottom though, before RGB was the thing. So we're going to be taking a look at this. It doesn't even have a side panel. I wish that I took this off to show you guys the computer, but it doesn't even have a side panel. Don't be fooled. It is pretty bad. This is a clunker, really. It's pretty powerful though. You'll see in the benchmarks what it's capable of, but here we go. Well, everyone, that was the $100 computer build. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and there will be plenty more to come, so I hope to see you in the next one.